And here we are at the gift shop at Crater Lake. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of snow here at 7,000 feet elevation. Consequently, some of the attractions are closed, like we saw yesterday. And again, like yesterday, I think we're going to resort to climbing one of the peaks here called Garfield Peak. Garfield Peak up in the distance. Yomp 2. Not too difficult, this one, just over 1,000 feet. Well, stopped in our tracks yet again. Part way down the trail, which was a bit cheeky. Who knows what we're going to do? But as you can see, the weather's moving in now, and I think it's better to be here in a touristy place like Crater Lake rather than making our way up Mount Shasta with this lot coming in. So we'll try a few more options and then maybe head back for an early spa. That's us signing out.
Let her down easy, and you'll grow up in time. She's a woman now.
Okay, so we're heading out of Crater Lake. I don't know whether you can see, but just check out the height of those snow poles. Really does get quite deep here. Helpful chappie in the visitor centre has given us a brochure on some of the other scenic things to do in Oregon. So we're just going to head there now. It's a sort of a scenic drive, plus you can stop off and look at a few waterfalls I think we're going to go and look at. Yo, G-Pants. Where are we heading to now?
Quarter of a mile yomp. So it's going to be hard work after what we've been through lately.
I think this is more like the 200 steps. Hey! Run! Strange noises here deep in the Amazon. Come on, video.